Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you guys have a Chevy Cruze and you're trying to find the fuel pump relay, guys, stay with us and we're going to explain some models have it, some don't. Now, we'll be working here on a 2015 model, but we'll explain how they differ, guys. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, guys, because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and drop a comment below. Just let us know what you think about the videos, if it's helpful, if not, or if you want us to improve in a different direction. Now this is, guys, a 2015 Cruze. Not every Cruze, guys, will have a fuel pump relay, and we'll explain if you have one, where to check and why you may not have one. So we first, guys, need to go ahead, okay, and open the hood. Okay, once you open the hood, guys, doesn't matter which engine you have, 1.4, 1.8 or Europe 1.6, doesn't really matter. Your fuse box will be right here. Okay, this is your fuse box and the cover for it. Now let me show you guys. We're going to remove that cover so we can explain a few things. Now you have 1, 2, 3, guys, 3 places where you squish, you pull it up. Now the relay that we're looking at, guys, it's a micro relay, guys, number 8, says it's for the fuel pump. Relay number 8. So let me see now, okay, where relay number 8 is, guys. And looking at it, okay, it should be right here. We do not have one. It will be relay like this one, okay, the same size like this one. So if you have it, guys, okay, you will be able, okay, to push it in like that. But ours, it doesn't have even connectors on the inside. Why? Because the 2012 and up, guys, 2015, most of the Cruze vehicles will not have fuel pump relay in the US. They have a fuel pump, okay, module. The module controls the pump and everything else. So sometimes that module will go bad and we'll have a video where it's located and how to replace it, guys. How to diagnose one and all that stuff. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel. That will be coming soon. If you guys have an older Cruze or you have the one in Europe, guys, or the rest of the world but not the US, you may expect to have a relay there. So always double check, okay, before you start taking things apart. Now, you actually, guys, have 3 fuses, I believe. 3 fuses that control the fuel pump module, so check those. We have the video on the channel if you need help with that. It could be just a bad fuse as well, guys, so you can find all that. We have playlists, guys, trying to organize the videos in a better way, guys, so you can find the information that you need. So thank you, guys, for watching. Please. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.